So basically, I'm here to teach my technique, European lips, and we are going to share a lot of our experience from Europe to Ecuador, and I think will be a nice congress and a good way to interact one with each other, all the doctors from all the world. Yes, of course, Romanians in the house. Of course, Latin sangre, sangre caliente, also from Romania. But yes, maybe we have a different opinion, maybe we have different trends, and we can share together our technique, our product, and our experience. I think all of you are great people, and I'm very surprised for the so nice welcoming. I didn't expect to receive flower, to be everybody so kind with me. I can wait to meet also the doctor because we plan to do more things here in Ecuador. Also a trip I think we have, and 3 workshops, 3 masterclass, and I'm glad I can be here to share all my experience with you.
Thank you very much. Welcome to Ecuador.
Thank you.